Morning YouTubers, this is just an attempt to make sure that my fire from last night was reproducible. We're at 15 minutes into the burn now and it is smoke free for the moment. You can see the heat haze, I think. Let's just check what the fire's doing. So there's a fair bit of fire in there, sort of orangey red colour, so still quite a low temperature burn. I would guess I need to wait until the burn chamber increases its heat, so maybe I need to insulate the burn chamber or something. Let's see if we can see the vortex. There's a bit of flame coming out. I did actually change it to a more centralized venturi. I hope that doesn't adversely affect the burn. We're about 65 minutes into the fire now, and I was running out of wood, so I've had to chuck some pellets in. $550 in the firebox as far as I could tell, and let's see what the fire vortex is like. Okay, did have ram's horns before, but just temporarily gone away. Getting a bit desperate, running out of wood, so I've got some pellets here, wrapped them in a plastic in a paper bag, and chucked them in the middle of the fire. Didn't do that. Found some more construction timber. Okay, nice ram's horns here, I think. Slightly eccentric, so bigger vortex on the right, smaller one on the left. Running now at about 1 hour 20 minutes. Sausages were frozen, so they're starting to heat up a bit, looking a bit better. Let's look at this flame. Oh shit. Dual vortices running under the burn chamber. Even though I've got this open, it's still running under the secondary burn, well, the top cooking plate chamber. Interesting. So there must be quite a draft still. And look at the chimney. No smoke. And oh yeah, we're seeing smoke from the burning plate. Oils are burning. Interesting. The cooking plate has reached about 300 degrees now. Some places. 268, 270. Better use that heat while it's there. I'm going to put the pellets in. later. I had 4 potatoes that I used this oven to cook with. I put 2 directly into the burn chamber wrapped in tin foil, and I removed them at 35 minutes, and well, we've eaten them, so that we can't show you now. But I have these other 2 which were placed into the path of the flame under the cooking plate, so that's a black oven, and they're also cooked, but we're full, so I'm not going to eat those today. So it's interesting, it didn't actually cause any disruption to the flow of the gases. Still had a quite a good draw. Okay, thanks for watching.